Hi friends, today we were making asteroid paintings. So to do the paintings you need different colour paints and marbles and spoons and paper and a tray. Taya, would you like to start? What colour are you going to pick?
Yellow.
The yellow. You put the marble in the tray, then he's going to lift the tray back and forth to make the asteroid zoom around his paper. And when the paints run out on the marble, would you like to pick a different colour now, Tao?
Yep.
What colour are you going to pick next?
Blue.
Blue. Let's see what happens with this colour. Oh, it looks like the asteroid's flying across the page and it flew out of the tray. What colour next? Some red. Let's see that one fly across the sky. Alright, is all the paint off that marble now, Teo?
I'm trying to get the colour in the middle.
Oh, you're trying to get it to roll through the big blob of red in the middle. Okay, and what's the last colour you have there?
Green.
Green.
Then I'm going for different again to make it better.
Oh, wow, look at the green rolling through. Alright, Tay, can you hold it still just for a moment so I can show my friends? And there we have our asteroid picture. You could leave it to dry like that, or you could cut it into different size circles and make your own solar system with it. Alright friends, have fun getting crafty. Bye.